Hi everyone, welcome to EatMee recipes. Today I'll be showing you how to make braised cabbage with potatoes. The ingredients for this recipe is in the description box below, and there you will also find a link for the full written step-by-step recipe, which is on eatmeerecipes.co.za. Firstly, you want to bring out the cabbage. We've always used green cabbage for this recipe, but if preferred, you can use purple cabbage. Cut the cabbage and place it into a bowl. The cabbage shouldn't be too thin or too thick. Next, you want to cover the cabbage with boiling water. This will actually kill the gas in the cabbage. Set this aside whilst you prep the other stuff. Peel and chop the onion. Rinse and chop up the tomato. Next, you want to peel and rinse some cloves of garlic. You can leave them whole or you can chop them up into smaller pieces. Thereafter, you want to remove the stems of the dried chilies and break them into halves. Peel and cut the potatoes into quarters. Cover the potatoes with cold water to prevent oxidization. To a pot on medium heat, add in the vegetable oil. Add in the onions, the cloves of garlic, the dried chilies, cumin or jeera seeds, and mustard seeds. Mix everything well. Allow it to saute until the onions are translucent. Once the onions have become translucent, add in the chopped tomatoes. Give that a mix. Cover and allow the tomatoes to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the tomato should be cooked. Give it a quick stir. Now it's time to add in the cabbage, so discard of the water it had been resting in. Add salt to taste. Pour in a little boiling water. Give that all a mix. Cover and allow the cabbage to cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's almost soft. Be sure to keep checking on it and add more water if needed. After 10 minutes, you will notice that most of the water has been evaporated. So go ahead and add in more boiling water. Give it a stir and allow it to cook. After 20 to 25 minutes, go ahead and add in the potatoes. Be sure to discard the water it had been resting in. Pour in some boiling water to allow the potatoes to cook. Give it a stir. Cover and allow to cook until the potatoes are soft. Once the potatoes are soft, the cabbage should be cooked throughout as well. Remove it from the heat and plate. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander or dhania. This braised cabbage with potatoes is ready to be served. This dish pairs perfectly with fresh hot rotis, but you can have it with bread, rice, or whatever else you want to have it with. Enjoy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more recipes. Just a quick reminder, the quantities are in the description box below, and there you will also find the direct link for the full written recipe, which is on eatmeerecipes.co.za. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also drop some recipe requests in the comment section, and I will try to do those recipes as soon as I can. Enjoy!